Let's dive in. What exactly is yogurt? It's a food that's both ancient and modern, simple yet surprisingly complex. Yogurt is a staple in many cultures, enjoyed in countless ways around the world. But what makes it so special? And how does it go from plain milk to the creamy delight we know and love? At its core, yogurt is milk transformed by friendly bacteria. These aren't just any bacteria. They're carefully selected strains that have been used for generations to create this unique food. The process starts with fresh milk, which is gently heated and then cooled to the perfect temperature. Next, a small amount of live cultures, also known as a yogurt starter, is added. These live cultures ferment the milk's natural sugars, called lactose, thickening it and giving yogurt its signature tang. Over several hours, the milk changes texture, becoming smooth, creamy, and slightly tart. Don't worry about the word bacteria. These are probiotics, the good guys that support your health. In fact, these beneficial bacteria are essential for making yogurt what it is, and they're a big reason why yogurt is considered so healthy. When you eat yogurt, you're enjoying a living food packed with millions, sometimes billions of beneficial organisms. These probiotics can help balance your gut, support digestion, and even boost your immune system. Think of them as tiny chefs in your gut, working behind the scenes to break down food, absorb nutrients, and create essential vitamins your body needs. They're like a microscopic team, always on the job to keep you feeling your best. Yogurt's texture and taste can range from thick and tangy, like Greek yogurt, to mild and creamy, depending on how it's made and the cultures used. Some yogurts are strained for extra thickness, while others are left smooth and pourable. It's a versatile ingredient, loved worldwide for centuries. From breakfast tables in Europe to street stalls in India, yogurt is enjoyed plain, sweetened, or mixed with fruits, nuts, and spices. It's a food that brings people together, no matter where you are. So next time you open a pot, remember, you're eating more than a snack. You're tasting a product of natural transformation, a tradition passed down through generations, and a testament to the magic of simple ingredients. Yogurt is simple, delicious, and incredibly good for you. It's a food that fits into almost any meal, any time of day, and offers a world of health benefits in every spoonful. It's honest food that delivers on its promises. No artificial tricks, just wholesome goodness made by nature and perfected by tradition. No fuss, just pure goodness in a pot. Whether you enjoy it plain, with a drizzle of honey, or topped with fresh fruit, yogurt is always satisfying. Whether for breakfast, a midday snack, or a light dessert, yogurt is a true kitchen hero. It's endlessly adaptable and always delicious. Millions of tiny helpers working for your health. What's not to love? Every spoonful is a celebration of taste, tradition, and well-being. Dive in and enjoy the magic. Yogurt isn't just food, it's a living, nourishing experience. Get in. Let's rewind. Yogurt's story goes back thousands of years, likely starting as a happy accident. Imagine a herdsman in ancient Central Asia, carrying milk in an animal skin pouch. Natural bacteria and enzymes turn it into tangy curd. This new food preserved milk in hot climates, making it safer and easier to digest. Word spread, and soon yogurt became a staple across the Middle East, Asia, and Eastern Europe. Even Genghis Khan's army was said to thrive on yogurt for strength. In the early 1900s, Bulgarian scientist Stamen Grigorov identified the key bacterium, Lactobacillus bulgaricus. Russian Nobel laureate Ilya Mechnikov then promoted yogurt for its health benefits, linking it to longevity. Thanks to these discoveries, yogurt became a global health food. From a herdsman's pouch to supermarket shelves, what a journey. Yogurt's history is as rich as its taste. Let's talk tummies. Yogurt is a superstar for digestion. Our gut is busy breaking down food and absorbing nutrients, but sometimes things get sluggish. The probiotics in yogurt act as helpers, making digestion smoother and more efficient. They pre-digest much of the lactose, so even people sensitive to milk often tolerate yogurt well. These friendly bacteria also help balance your gut, easing bloating and irregularity. A daily serving can get your system into a healthy rhythm. It's not a magic fix, but it's a natural way to support your body's processes. A happy gut means better nutrient absorption and more energy. If your digestion feels off, try adding yogurt to your day. It's a gentle, effective way to nurture your body from the inside out. Simple, natural, and delicious, yogurt is your tummy's best friend. Enjoy the benefits, one spoonful at a time. Happy days. Did you know most of your immune system lives in your gut? That's why looking after your gut means looking after your immunity, and yogurt is a top choice. The probiotics in yogurt act like little soldiers, strengthening your gut's barrier and crowding out harmful invaders. Regularly eating yogurt keeps your internal defenses strong and ready. These good bacteria also help regulate your immune response, reducing inflammation and boosting infection-fighting cells. Especially during cold season, yogurt gives your body extra support. It's a simple, tasty way to invest in your health. One spoonful at a time, you're building resilience. Keep your internal army strong. Make yogurt a daily habit. Stay fighting fit. Your gut is like a bustling city, home to trillions of microbes, mostly bacteria, plus some fungi and viruses. These tiny residents are constantly at work, breaking down food, producing vitamins, and even helping to protect you from harmful invaders. Imagine them as your own personal team of superheroes, each with a unique job to keep your body running smoothly. This community is your gut microbiome, and a healthy balance is key to your well-being. When your microbiome is thriving, you feel more energetic, your digestion works better, and your immune system is stronger. But when things get out of balance, you might notice bloating, fatigue, or even mood swings. Probiotics in yogurt are reinforcements for the good guys, helping keep troublemakers in check. These live cultures can restore balance after illness, antibiotics, or a poor diet, and they're especially important if you want to keep your gut in top shape. A diverse microbiome supports digestion, immunity, and even mood. Scientists are discovering that your gut health is linked to your brain, influencing how you feel and think. So looking after your gut can actually help you feel happier and more focused. Don't confuse probiotics with prebiotics. Prebiotics are the fiber-rich foods that feed your good bacteria. Think of them as the fuel that keeps your gut's friendly microbes active and strong, helping them multiply and crowd out the bad guys. Eating both is a power combo. Yogurt brings the probiotics, and foods like bananas or whole grains provide the prebiotics. Together, they create the perfect environment for your gut to flourish, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients and stay healthy. Think of your gut as an ecosystem. Nurture it, and it'll look after you. Just like a garden, it needs the right balance of species, nutrients, and care to thrive. Yogurt is an easy, delicious way to support this balance. It's versatile, pairs well with fruits, nuts, or grains, and can be enjoyed any time of day. It's not about killing all bacteria, but nurturing the right ones. By making small changes to your diet, you can help your gut microbiome thrive and support your overall health. A healthy gut means a healthier you. When your gut is happy, you're more likely to feel energetic, resilient, and ready to take on the day. Start with a humble pot of yogurt. It's a simple step, but it can make a big difference in your daily routine and long-term health. It's simple, powerful, and delicious. Lovely jubbly. With every spoonful, you're giving your gut the support it needs to keep you feeling your best. The dairy aisle can be overwhelming, but yogurt choices are simpler than they look. Plain or natural yogurt is the classic. Just milk and live cultures, no extras. Flavored yogurts often contain added sugar, so check the label or add your own fruit at home. Low-fat and fat-free yogurts can be good, but sometimes have extra sugar or thickeners. Balance is key. Always look for live and active cultures on the label for probiotic benefits. Non-dairy yogurts made from soya, coconut, or oats are great for vegans or those avoiding dairy. They're made the same way, with live cultures fermenting plant-based milk. Many are fortified with calcium and vitamins. The world of yogurt is big. There's something for everyone. Read labels and choose what's right for you. Control your ingredients for the healthiest option. Yogurt is versatile, delicious, and fits any lifestyle. Enjoy exploring. Let's talk about Greek yogurt, the heavyweight champion of the yogurt world. This isn't just any ordinary snack. It's a creamy, satisfying treat that's taken the dairy aisle by storm. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just love delicious food, Greek yogurt has something for everyone. It's thick, creamy, and luxurious, thanks to extra straining that removes most of the liquid whey. This unique process gives Greek yogurt its signature texture, so rich and velvety, it almost feels like a dessert, but with all the benefits of a nutritious food. This process makes Greek yogurt higher in protein and lower in sugar than regular yogurt. In fact, a single serving can pack nearly twice the protein, making it a favorite among athletes and anyone looking to stay energized throughout the day. More protein means you stay full longer and support muscle repair. It's a smart choice for breakfast, a post-workout snack, or even a midday pick-me-up when you need lasting energy. The straining also reduces lactose, making it easier to digest for some. If you're sensitive to dairy, Greek yogurt might be a gentler option that still lets you enjoy all the creamy goodness. Its tangy, intense flavor is perfect for grown-up tastes. That bold taste stands out, whether you enjoy it plain or with a swirl of honey and fruit. Greek yogurt is incredibly versatile. Use it in place of sour cream, in dips, or as a healthy base for sauces. It's also fantastic in smoothies, baked goods, or even as a topping for your favorite savory dishes. For best results, choose plain, full-fat versions and add your own toppings. This way, you control the sweetness and keep things wholesome, adding fresh fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for extra flavor and nutrition. You get creaminess, protein, and probiotics all in one. Those probiotics are great for your gut health, helping to keep your digestive system happy and balanced. It's a kitchen hero for breakfast, snacks, or cooking. From parfaits to salad dressings, Greek yogurt can do it all, making healthy eating both easy and delicious. Greek yogurt delivers big nutrition in every spoonful. Each bite is packed with essential nutrients like calcium, potassium, and B vitamins, supporting your bones and overall health. No wonder it's a superstar. Its combination of taste, nutrition, and versatility has made it a staple in kitchens around the world. Give it a try and taste the difference. Greek yogurt just might become your new favorite dairy delight. Yogurt is easy to add to your day. No effort required. Start with breakfast. Top plain or Greek yogurt with fresh fruit, seeds, or nuts for a quick, healthy meal. Swap sugary snacks for a pot of yogurt to keep energy steady. Make a simple dip by mixing yogurt with herbs and lemon for veggie sticks. Freeze yogurt with fruit for homemade frozen pops. Kids love them. Use yogurt as a marinade for meats. It tenderizes and adds flavor. Stir a dollop into soups or curries for creaminess, without the calories. Blend yogurt into smoothies for a protein boost and creamy texture. Yogurt is perfect for experimenting. Find what you love. It's a versatile ingredient for any meal or snack. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Have fun, get creative, and enjoy more yogurt. Get it in ya. There you have it. Yogurt is a simple, powerful step toward better health. It's affordable, easy to find, and fits into any meal. Small changes like choosing yogurt over sugary desserts add up to big benefits. Look for live and active cultures, and pick plain, unsweetened varieties for the most goodness. Add your own fruit or a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. Yogurt supports digestion, immunity, and overall well-being. You're in control. Make smart, delicious choices. Try yogurt for breakfast, as a snack, or in your cooking. See how easy it is to make it part of your routine. Food should be joyful and nourishing. Yogurt delivers both. Take that small step today. A humble pot of yogurt can make a real difference. Go on, you know it makes sense.